What's going on, everybody? Today we got another new knife in. It's from Real Steel and BladeHQ. Some people might not like that, but hey, it is what it is sometimes. It is the Real Steel G5 Metamorph in Tanto. So there's your specs. Some of them are upside down. There you go. Let's take a look at this, see what we got going on. And we have disassembly instructions, it looks like. That's new. Not too many people do that these days. And caution, this is a sharp object and will hurt you. Okay, good job. And nifty packaging. Nicely wrapped up. Alright, and there you have it. Black G10 scales. Deep carry pocket clip. Flipper tab. And there you go. A fairly mild Tanto. Liner lock. Action's pretty good. This is a thin, slim knife. Almost kind of like a pencil. But not too bad. This knife only comes from in a Tanto through BladeHQ. So it is, if you can read that, 14 Sandvik 14 C28N in satin. So yeah, it's a nifty little knife. It's nice and slim for those people that like a nice slim carry knife. Not too aggressive of a Tanto. Nice wedge. Pretty good action. All in all, yeah, pretty good action. Nicely lined up. Yeah. It's an interesting knife. We'll take a look at it. It's a little thin for my aspects, but nice 50-50. Yeah, 50% or so lockup. Some pretty good lockup there. So, yeah. Not bad. I mean, $40 at BladeHQ. So take a look and see if you guys are interested. Take a look over there at their website. And yeah, it's not too bad. It's got some nice traction to it. No sharp edges. Pretty rounded off. And there you go. That is the Real Steel G5 Metamorph Tanto. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for today. Have a great day. We'll see you next time on another video. Bye.